Signal molecule. Serotonin is a gastrointestinal signaling molecule. This key hormone stabilizes our mood, feelings of well-being, memory, and happiness, along with helping assist with sleeping, eating, cognition, and digestion. It activates afferent neurons to initiate reflexes and to transmit information to the central nervous system. Serotonin allows the brain cells to communicate with each other, labeling it as a peregrine messenger. The signal source primarily comes from the central nervous system, specifically the Raphe nuclei located in the brain system. Serotonin neurons are primarily found in the brainstem in clusters called Raphe nuclei, which is then provided to the rest of the central nervous system. 90% of serotonin is in your abdomen, in which it regulates intestinal movement. It also has a role in nausea and vomiting. Serotonin is also a vasoconstrictor that is stored in platelets and released during clotting. Serotonin is a monoamine neurotransmitter, a term that refers to its chemical structure and the fact that it is derived from an amino acid. To get serotonin, L-tryptophan is converted to 5-hydroxytryptophan, which is then converted to serotonin. Transduction pathway. Researchers have established 7 different families of serotonin receptors which differ in each other in distribution, the substances that bind to them, and the effects they have. Majority of serotonin receptors are G-protein coupled receptors, while a few are ligand-gated ion channels. The pathway starts in the brainstem with the Raphe nuclei to be synthesized, goes to the nucleus accumbens, then throughout the lobes of the brain. Serotonin is then removed from the synaptic cleft by a transport protein called the serotonin transporter, which releases serotonin from the presynaptic nerve ending into the synapse. After, it has the opportunity to attach to a receptor site on the postsynaptic nerve ending and would send messages. However, serotonin might get degraded by a monoamine oxidase or might get taken back up the serotonin transporter. Cellular response. Serotonin helps to regulate various psychological functions by its actions in the central nervous system and in the respective organ systems. Serotonin also helps secrete cytokines in the immune system and synthesizes interleukin in smooth muscle cells.